As a brand, the relationship you have with your customers is built on trust. When a customer buys one of your products, they expect the item to be authentic, and most likely it is. However, customers' trust can be broken if they receive a counterfeit product. Transparency is a product serialization service that can help you protect your brand and keep your customers' trust by identifying individual units and preventing counterfeits from reaching customers. Here's how it works. You tell us which products you want to enroll, then share your product information. We will use that information to generate transparency codes with our secure software. Each code is unique and should be added to every unit you manufacture. When transparency checks are turned on, anyone selling your enrolled products in Amazon stores will need to provide valid transparency codes before they add their offer to your listing or create one of their own. We'll also verify transparency codes before the order is shipped, regardless of whether it's fulfilled by Amazon or a third-party seller. If the right code isn't there, it won't ship, ensuring customers only receive genuine items. Transparency code required customers can also confirm authenticity of your products no matter where they are purchased with the Amazon Shopping app or the Transparency app. You can even share product information, videos, images, and promotions. Ready to get started with transparency? Find a step-by-step walkthrough of the onboarding process by searching Transparency Onboarding Guide in Seller University.